every mineral have a proper work and a plant body. So in this video we will be discuss what is the role of nitrogen and plant body. So let's begin. So first of all, we know that what is nitrogen. Nitrogen is basically non-metal and it is gases, and it is found in atmosphere in the form of N2, and it is in atmosphere around us about 78%. So let's come to the role of nitrogen. Nitrogen is basically minerals. So what is the role of nitrogen in plant body? So let's start from the first one, that it makes protein synthesis. Nitrogen play a very key role, a very important role in protein synthesis because it makes amino group of amino acid, which is NH2. It has amino group of amino acid. So nitrogen play a key role in protein synthesis. Now the second one is chitin synthesis. First of all, we know that what is chitin. Chitin is basically the cell wall of fungi. The fungi cell wall is made of chitin. So the synthesis of chitin is basically nitrogen. The third one is hormone synthesis. Nitrogen play a key role in hormone synthesis. Hormone is basically a protein in nature. So it helps in synthesis of protein, of hormone synthesis. Now the fourth one is plant rapid growth. Nitrogen play a very important role. Nitrogen is very essential for plant rapid growth. If nitrogen is not present here, so the plant cannot grow rapidly. So due to nitrogen, the plant can grow rapidly. The fifth one is fruits production. Due to nitrogen, the fruit production can occur. High variety of food can give us about nitrogen. The sixth one is quality of soil. Due to nitrogen, the quality of soil can be improved. The quality of our soil is fertile due to nitrogen. And the last one is vitamin synthesis. Vitamins is basically organic compound and it is very essential for our body and plant body also. So it make vitamins. Nitrogen key role in vitamin synthesis. It make vitamin for plant body. And if there is no nitrogen, so what will happen to the body, to the plant body? So here are some deficiency symptoms which are, if there is no nitrogen, so what will happen? So the first one is yellowing of leaves. Yellowing of leaves means that the leaves can be change your shape into yellow, etc., into any other color. So due to nitrogen, due to deficiency of nitrogen, the leaves can change your shape, your color. And the last one is delay flower and fruits. It's clear from its name that delay means late. And plant, the flower can be delayed and fruit also be late. So this was all about the role of nitrogen in plant body. Thanks for watching.